How to reclaim a tighter, smoother abdominal profile? Tummy tuck surgery or abdominoplasty emerges as a transformative solution for those grappling with abdominal concerns stemming from factors like pregnancy, rapid weight changes, or genetics. Tummy tuck surgery doesn't aim for weight loss but focuses on reshaping your abdomen by removing excess fat and tissue. It's a quest for a toned, flat stomach, addressing issues that persist despite exercise and diet. Individuals seeking tummy tuck surgery often grapple with concerns like excess abdominal skin post pregnancy, significant weight loss, or aging. Eligibility here is determined through consultations with a qualified plastic surgeon, considering factors such as overall health, lifestyle, and realistic expectations. This surgery is ideal for those aiming to regain abdominal tightness and enhance body contours. India here stands out as a prime destination for tummy tuck surgery, offering a compelling blend of medical expertise, cutting edge facilities, and cost effectiveness. Renowned hospitals and skilled surgeons in India provide world class surgical interventions with a focus on patient safety and satisfaction. Here, from full abdominoplasty to endoscopy tummy tuck, various procedures cater to diverse needs. Whether it's addressing excess skin on hips or opting for a less invasive approach, Tummy Tuck offers customized solutions. The affordability of tummy tuck surgery in India attracts individuals globally, making it a hub for medical tourism. The cost of the surgery here is a fraction of what it is in the Western countries. It starts from USD 2,950, including the surgical procedure, surgeon's fees, pre-operative tests, and standard hospital expenses. But the best part is, tummy tuck surgery in India boasts a success rate well above industry standards. The meticulous approach of surgeons, coupled with post-operative care, contributes to high success rates of 95% and satisfied patients. So, are you ready to sculpt confidence and redefine your abdominal contours? Consider trusting Alafia Meditor for a transformative experience. Also, do not forget to like, comment, and share the video with someone in need. Until next time, stay safe and stay confident.